Hello, this project is creating an inquiry-based classroom by me, Delaney Carroll. Some positive learning environment characteristics. The classroom should be safe. This is important because the students' lives outside of the classroom could be crazy and they don't have control over it. But inside the classroom, they should know that they are safe. They're given breakfast, snack, and lunch. There's a routine that's followed every day, so they know what to expect and what is expected of them. And when students' basic needs are met, they are more willing and ready to work. Another characteristic is having nature in the classroom. There should be plants all over the room, especially in the windows. And the teacher could also diffuse some essential oils, which helps the students to stay calm. And both of these characteristics help the students stay focused and ready to learn. The last characteristic is respect. They should know that they are respected and loved, and you could show this by greeting every student at the door when they come in the mornings and say that you miss them and that you're excited for the day. And this is important because Maslow's hierarchy of needs must be met in order for the students to move to the next one, and feeling loved and accepted or respected is in the middle of the pyramid. And once they reach it, they can focus on bettering themselves. Thank you.